And before starting the next topic, we will know about honey. What is honey? It is a sweet liquid and is also considered to be healthy for us. Okay, it is not harmful, but it is really useful for us. From where we get honey? Anyone knows? So we get honey from beehives. Okay, the honey bees, what they do? They store nectar of flowers in the form of honey. Okay, so what is nectar? NECTAR. Nectar here is sweet juices. These are the sweet juices that are collected by the honey bee from the flower. So the nectar is present in the flowers. Okay. Yes. So yes, there is a picture you can see. It is of beehive, and in the next picture you are seeing that a honey bee is sucking nectar from the flower. Okay. Now next. So what the bees do? They store the honey. Sorry, they store nectar, okay, and then they use it for the whole year. Okay. For example, you know that the flowers are not available for the whole year. Okay. Some flowers grow in winter, some flowers grow in summers. So therefore, what they do, they collect the nectar, okay, and so that it can be available for whole year. Okay. Now next, rearing or keeping of honeybees is called apiculture. What it is called? Apiculture. Okay. So when we rear or keep the honeybees, okay, on a large scale, that's so that we get so much honey, and it is called apiculture. The next term that we learn is uses of honey. What is its use? It is a natural sweetener. Natural sweetener, as we know, it is sweet in nature. Yes, it is not salty in nature. It is sweet in nature. Yes. So you all know that it is also present in various candies that are used for curing cough. For example, Vicks. There is also a honey flavored. Okay, there is also a Vicks that is honey flavored. Honey is present in that also, which we use for curing our cough and sore throat. Okay. Next, when you get any wound or burn, what you can do? You can apply honey on that. It can be cured. Okay. It is also used in medicines because of its medicinal properties. Yes. It also helps to fight against infections that are taking place in our body. Okay. Now, you all know what are herbivores, carnivores. Okay. Now we will discuss about herbivores. Okay. The animals that eat only plants. Okay. And plant products are called herbivores. Where the herbie means plant and vor means eater. From the name itself, it is clear that these are plant eaters. Okay. Now we will discuss about the characteristics. What are its characteristics? Okay. Every living organism has its own characteristics. So we will discuss first about herbivores. Okay. So as you are seeing in the picture, herbivores. The examples are horse, cow, deer. Okay, these animals eat plants. Okay, if we take the example of cow, the cow has broad teeth. Okay, as you are seeing in the picture that is shared to you. Yes, what it do? The teeth plays an important role. Okay, because it is not easy to eat the plant raw. Yes, so cows, what they do, they grind the plants. Okay, and there is also an important character that cow swallow the food first. Okay, then what happens? The swallowed food from the abdomen come to the mouth, and then the cow chew it properly. Yes, so it is the second characteristic. When then we will move to the third characteristic, and it is herbivorous. Herbivores like hummingbirds and butterfly. They have a special mouth. Okay, so that they can, for example, assume that it is a flower. So they have a particular or special type of mouth which helps them to suck the nectar from the flowers. Okay, as we also eat plant. Yes, so those humans that eat only plants are called vegetarians. The humans that only eat plants are called vegetarians. Okay. Now, the humans that eat meat also and plant also, they are called non-vegetarian. Okay. So, now we will move to the next, and its example is Next is carnivores. What do you mean by carni? Carni means meat and vor means eater. So the animals that eat the flesh of other animals. Okay, what they eat the flesh of other animals. Okay, for this, carnivores have a special type of teeth. For example, if you see the picture that is there is of a lion who is eating his flesh. Sorry, who is eating flesh. What happens? They have a broad and sharp, very sharp teeth so that they can tear the flesh. Okay. These canines do the function of tearing. Okay. Canines. It is a type of teeth. Okay. Now next. If we talk about carnivorous birds, for example, eagle, what they have very sharp claws, which also help them to tear the flesh of other animal. These sharp claws are called talons. Okay. Their first feature is that they have sharp teeth. Second, they have sharp claws. Third is that they, for example, I will explain you with the example. There are some carnivores also that eat the prey as whole. Okay, what are prey and predators? I'm going to rub this. What are predators and prey? The predators are the organisms that eat the prey. So they eat prey. Okay. So what is prey? The organisms that are eaten by predators. For example, I will give you an example. Green plants are there. Okay. Green plants are eaten by deer, and then deer is eaten by tiger. Yes. So in this, deer is prey and tiger is predator. You are getting my point? Yes. मतलब कि क्या मतलब है इसका कि टाइगर ने किसका शिकार किया? डियर का. ठीक है ना? So the animal that is eaten by the predator is called prey. Okay. What is predator? The organism that eat the other animals. For example, I have given you the example of tiger. There are other examples also. Lion that is shown in the picture. Snake, owl. These are carnivores. Okay. So now next we have discussed about herbivores who eat plants and plant products. We have discussed about carnivores who eat the animals who eat flesh of the other animals. Now we will discuss about next type, which is omnivores. What is omnivores? Here the omni means all. Means what it says that the animals or organisms that eat plant and animals both. Yes, students. Now it is omnivores that eat both plants and animals. Okay. First example is human being, because we human beings eat plant product also and meat also. Yes. So we have a special characteristic that we can chew both type of plant product or any animal product. Yes. So teeth are so developed in our system, or for example beer also, they have different types of teeth. Okay, we also have different type of teeth, for example incisors, canines, molars and premolars. Yes, so their function is also different. Okay, for next is omnivorous birds. What, for example, is crow. Crow have a sharp beak. Yes, and it is pointed. And so therefore the crow can eat variety of food, both even it is plant or any animal. Yes. Now I have given you an example of deer and tiger. डियर को किसने खा लिया? टाइगर ने. अब भी ये टाइगर है, कितनी देर जिंदा थोड़ी ना रहेगा. ऑब्वियसली टाइगर विल डाई. अब कौन खाएगा फिर टाइगर को अगर वो मर गया? नाउ द रोल ऑफ डीकंपोजर्स कम हियर. What the decomposer do? These are the living organism. They are also living organism. What they do? They act on dead plants and animals. Okay. They break them into simpler substances. So the simpler substances go into the soil. Where it goes? Soil. Yes. So the two examples of decomposers are fungi and bacteria. Okay. So when the tiger dies, the living organism act on this dead tiger. Okay, and make it simpler substance and which go to the soil. Yes. Example is shown in your figure. Bacteria can be seen under microscope. Okay. So this chapter is about food. So what is the conclusion of this chapter? Okay. We get food from different sources. Yes. They are also living organisms. Yes, na? So we should eat that much food only that is required to our body. Okay, and never leave food uneaten. Okay, some students are there who leave their food. मुझे नहीं पसंद है, ये नहीं मैंने खाना. So this thing should not be done. Okay. So what we can do is we have to store the food on a proper place. ऐसा नहीं है कि रख दिया वहां पे खाना खाने के लिए, वो उसको मंथ्स गुजर गए, उसको साल पूरे इयर्स पूरा बीत गया और आपको पता ही नहीं आपने वहां पे खाना रखा था, वो तो खराब हो जाएगा. सो इट इज ऑल्सो वेस्टेज ऑफ फूड ना. यस, सो यू शुड स्टोर द फूड प्रॉपरली. Okay, and do not spoil the food. Okay, now next point is that you have to eat food according to the season. Yes, for example, mango is a fruit that comes in the summer season. Okay, if you eat in winter season, it is not good. Okay, so you have to eat the fruits and vegetables according to the seasons. Okay, otherwise it will harm your health. Understand? So now we will watch a video that the activity you have done.
To our first activity, that is sprouting. Nature of activity is individual, means you can do it on your own. This activity will take 2 days. Now black gram and moong is in the picture. Then how we will do this activity? Take some dry seeds of moong, chana. Put a small quantity of seeds in a container filled with water. Like this. Then leave this aside for a day or overnight. Next day, drain the water completely and leave the seeds in the vessel. Wrap them with a piece of wet clothes and set aside. Like this. You can put it in a cotton cloth. The following day, you will observe a change in the seed. If not, wash the seeds with water, drain the water, and leave them aside for another day, covered with a wet cloth. The next day, see if the seeds have sprouted. Now, what is observation of this activity? A small white structure may have grown out of the seeds, which means seeds are sprouted. Like this. You can see a small structure has been grown out of the seeds. What you have learned from this activity? First is the seeds are sprouted. These sprouted seeds contain more vitamin A, B and C, which make them a healthy food. Now, this was all about this activity. You can do it easily on your home and on your own. Thank you. If you like it, share.
Yes, students. You have watched the video? Yes, Avni? Yes, you all have done activity? Show the sprouted seeds. Yes, very good. Students, you will make a video, okay? And then send it to me. By evening, you will send me the video. Okay? By today's evening. Yes. Now, students, next is activity 7 on page number 5. Animals and their food. You all know that what a buffalo eats? Yes, it eats grass, oil cake, hay and grains. What a cat eats? Small animals, birds and